So Lara, for these 14 games, so they talk so we won't play. I think see am now. So what are your chances for Arsenal? I think say Arsenal go play. How many games this year will feel win? Like who you dey fear self? If you check this game, so we'll get who you dey fear.
Okay, can you hear me now? Good afternoon.
Yes, I can hear you. Who you dey fear? Tips.
The people I fear most are the relegation teams. Those down bottom, those are the ones. I'm not scared of Everton, Manchester, Crystal Palace, West Ham, Chelsea. It's going to be our normal game. But the one I fear and scare most are those teams from 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. When it comes to big teams, they are very stubborn. I don't know how to put it. It's going to be a tough match for Arsenal.
Okay.
So the first thing we say, make we win our game with the likes of Chelsea, Everton, West Ham, Liverpool. If we fit hype that our game against those top teams, and I think we are good to go.